lathe-turned pillars. Archaeologists confirm that this temple is the origin of lathe-turned pillars. What you see here are the very first pillars created with lathe technology. Remember the first time I posted about ancient lathe technology in India? It became viral, and since then, some people have argued that, look, India was a very rich country. They had great kings, and they had a huge workforce, lots of horses and elephants, slaves and soldiers. So, with an enormous amount of hard labor, they could have managed this lathe technology without advanced machines.